Good evening, ladies and gents. Back down the garage, and what a lovely evening it is out there. It's glorious. And that brings us to the point of today's video. This garage workshop is lovely in the winter. We've got a little heater over there. We've got lots of good light in here. It's nice. In the summer, it would be nice to be able to roll the car out there into the sunshine and work on it in the daylight. But as you can see, for quite a while now, Little Red does not run. Does not run? She does run, sorry. Does not roll. So, I have got here, as you would have seen in the previous video, our drive shafts from Sean, but also had today a load of Quinton Hazel bits turn up, wheel bearings, track rod ends, ball joints, basically everything we need to get the car back on the ground and rolling, in and out, backwards and forwards. And in fact, if it wasn't for the clutch, because there is no pedal box at the moment, which means we have no clutch pedal, we would actually also have everything to be able to drive the car, which gives you an idea of just how close it is to moving under its own power. Once again, it is literally just the pedal box and brakes we're waiting for now. That is the only thing, and then the car will be able to run and drive under its own power, which is quite exciting. So, yeah, I've got a nice cold one to go with the nice warm evening, because let's be honest, it'd be rude not to, right? So I'm going to crack open a beer, take a swig, and I'll see you guys in a minute when we are down there bolting some new shiny bits on. Okay, as you can see, they're all built up. Lovely jubbly, they're nice and tight fit. I had to heat these up to get the shafts in, but it actually works out all right because these get hot, and then when you pack your grease in, the grease sort of softens up a bit, so you can push it right down into the CV. The only downside is this tri-load bearing here on the end is knackered. Now I did order another one, which is, actually I think I left it at home. I did order another one. It turned up and it's tiny, like really small, so obviously the wrong one, but that doesn't matter. So I'm just going to put this one on loosely for now, just so that I can get it into the cup and move the car around, and I'll order another one up. Plus I need a CV boot for that. Oh no, I don't, it's all right. I thought I needed another one, but I've got one there. So yeah, I'm just going to get this hub stripped down now, ready for new bearings and seals in there. Again, this was the one out of the other hub. I actually started stripping that the other day because we were working down there. So I'm gonna get this one stripped down, get that one stripped down, and then see you in a second. Okay, that is one hub assembly all mounted up. New bearings, new seals, lots and lots of grease, nice messy job. So, next thing to do is put this puppy in down here. But whip them off, get our new ball joints on there, new track rod ends to go in there, that's going in there like that. Gonna have some mixed match bolts on top because I haven't got any new ones. I need to give Shane Baker a shout for one of his Mark 1 front bolt kits. I'll probably do that next week. And once this is all bolted up, we can get a shaft in there, CV in there, and away we go. And just like that, we have a fully assembled front hub assembly. Like I said, these two bolts are a bit sketchy. This bolt down here is the right length, but there's no shoulder on it. It's just a standard 8.8. There it is. So just needs to change that form of the shoulder. These are good though, because these came with new bolts, so they're solid. That's obviously all solid as it needs to be. Just wound those in roughly to where the rusty mark was on the threads. So it should be somewhere near. It looks reasonably straight for now. So yeah, shaft is all in. As you can see, obviously no boot on the inside there because that's the one that needs a new tri-load bearing. As you can see it wobbling about in there like buggery. But for rolling it round, it'll be fine. So basically, just got to do the whole load again on the other side. Which I'm not going to record because you just watch me do all that and it would just be boring otherwise. So I will see you guys in a second once that side is done. Honestly, it is jobs like this that I hate. It's just so dirty and horrible. And I've got hay fever and it's a hot day, so I just want to constantly itch my nose, which I can't do. Obviously when I've got CV grease all over my hands. Anyway, stop complaining. It's all in. This side's all buttoned up. Just needs Jubilee clips on the CV boots there, which I'll do. Probably won't do tonight. I can't really be bothered, to be honest. But yeah. Steering joints on, that's on. Again, these are actually the original bolts on this side. I still had them, but I'll replace them all for the sake of replacing them all. And yeah, no play in the wheel bearings or anything like that. No play in the steering. She's good to go. So I'm going to finish my beer and put some wheels on it and roll it outside. I mean, it's dark, so we won't be rolling it out into the sunshine. Not tonight anyway. But I'm going to roll it out anyway because it's starting to get a bit cluttered and messy in here, and it's always easier to have a bit of spring clean once the car is out of the way. And I want to see how it looks on the floor because it does look quite good when it's down on its wheels, properly stanced. So yeah, let's do that next. And that is it. She is a roller, just like that. She is a roller. Rolls very nicely. Tracking is off. Pointing straight, apparently. Not too bad. I mean, to be fair, if I centre the steering wheel about there-ish, it's not bad. Bit of a toe out on the passenger side. Pull that in. Get us going. Get us up to the. Get us rolling up to the MOT station, and I'll get them to do an alignment once it's there. You know, while in Rome. But yeah, that is it. I'm very dirty, very greasy, very horrible. I've had a very quick, tidy sweep up. Oh, this is all fluid. It's come out of my brand new engine. And that. So, might make that next week's job, sorting that out. I think it's a mixture of coolant and oil. I think I've got a little oil leak on the sump, and my stat housing is leaking. Sean is working on Billet stat housings at the moment, which I'm very keen to get my hands on as soon as he's got them ready. Yeah, gonna leave that off here. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Little Red is now a roller once again, and we're slowly ticking off the list. I think we'll start off next week's video by going over the to-do list that's over there. We haven't updated that in a while, so we'll go through that and tick that all off. So yeah, till next time. Cheers guys.